Hey friends, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. I'm back home. I was at my sister's last week, so I was like filming in a different area, which was just, weird. But I'm back home, so it feels good to be home. I do miss my sister's little puppy. She's so cute. But this week, I want to plan for the week of August 16th through 22nd, and in my Hobonichi Weeks planner, and this I use for social media, and I'm going to be using the kit from Sweet Kawaii Design, and it is adorable. It's her little like animal critter kit. I don't know what she calls it. I'll have to look. Oh, hello, zoo. It's genius. Okay, so of course I picked up the deco. Of course I picked up the die cuts. This planner is super tiny, and I need it to be functional, so it's probably wishful thinking. All these cute critters. Look at this guy. I love them all. They're so cute. Okay, so there's that. And then I've grabbed these cameras. I got the itty bitty and then the regular size, just in case I wanted to use those. And then these $2 Tuesday banners. And this is also the journaling card, just in case. I kind of just like to pull everything that is a possibility, even though that's so extra, but I really love this. I guess I have a thing for stripes, even though these are horizontal. I'm not sure if they can be called regular stripes. So I was out of town last week, and I feel like I had a really hard time keeping up with Instagram and social media. Mostly because I wasn't like in my normal space to take pictures, and then I spent all of my free time, all of our extra free time at my mom and dad's house, and my mom gets a little like, oh, you're on your phone all the time, so I try not to be. Oh my goodness. Kind of wanted to try something, not try something different, but just use the kit a little differently this week. I say that, you guys, but there's not too much to do in this small space. That is the weeks. We're gonna cover up that full moon there. I think that's what that is, a full moon. The kids go back to school this week. My boys go back on the 18th. I'm super excited for them. Oh, you know what? I can't use that washi there like that. It's gotta be the way the creator intended. Because if not, this won't fit. I guess I didn't bring my tweezers. Sorry guys, I'm out of frame. I was thinking that next year, and I know it's only August, but that I should do a journal planner, essentially keeping track of highs and lows throughout the day. I know that like sounds silly, that's the one thing that I don't do, and I could probably just incorporate it into some of the planners that I use now, but I feel like I would want to keep that separate because that's like so personal, but I feel like it could be really good just for awareness of like mental health and how I'm feeling and stuff. So if you guys do anything like that, let me know what planner you use, or if you just use a notebook. I was thinking about like the cousin pages, the daily pages would be good, but then they also have the other Hobonichi, I don't know how to say it, is it Techo? That is dated, but it's literally just it's just blank pages for each day. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use the checklist. I don't usually use the checklist, but I think I'm gonna use them this week. This is ridiculous without a tweezer. I find that I believe that I might do better if I specifically write out and plan what I'm going to post. And then I'll use the smaller squares to have additional ideas. You guys, I just noticed this. Ah, he's so cute. He's like the safari master zookeeper. This guy's like me in my house. Saying this, that I'm about to snap. Okay, I like to use this box to track YouTube videos and when I upload them to YouTube, but then also when I'm gonna film them. And then these, I like to use these habit trackers to check off when I post on Facebook for the day and when I post on Instagram. Sorry about the frame. So much for me doing this differently this week. I think this is pretty much the same thing I always do. Okay, so after all of my fabulous ideas, I'm gonna leave this super simple. That way I can hopefully schedule 1, 2, 3 posts a day. This can be extra or stories. And then over here I can write down ideas of different things that I might want to do also. So I hope everybody has a wonderful week, and I will see you guys later.